Life is short and every moment is precious. From a psychological point of view, we will share some suggestions to help you stop squandering your time, understand yourself better, and achieve a more meaningful life. 1. Time management and emotional regulation. From a psychological perspective, learning to reject meaningless social media browsing is an important step towards effective time management. Mobile phone addiction often stems from emotional needs, so learn to regulate your emotions in a healthier way. 2. Action and mental preparation. Psychology tells us that procrastination is closely linked to fear of the future. In order to take action, you first need to be psychologically prepared to face possible challenges. 3. Focus and social relationships. Psychology emphasizes the impact of social relationships on mental health. Unfocusing on those who are unhelpful or frustrating helps to maintain mental focus and build a positive social network. 4. Beyond the competitive mindset. Psychology tells us that an overly competitive mindset can lead to anxiety and stress. Shifting focus from competition with others to personal growth can alleviate these negative emotions. 5. Investment strategies in psychology. From a psychological perspective, learning and growth are important components of mental health. By investing time in learning and personal development, you not only enrich your inner world, but also build a stronger foundation for the future. 6. Psychological deconstruction of the past. Psychology encourages us to accept our past selves and to see our past experiences as part of our growth. Through psychological deconstruction, we can learn from our past mistakes and dilemmas to create a more positive and healthy future. Thank you for your interest in time management from a psychological perspective. Please share and subscribe if you found it helpful. Let's pursue a more meaningful and healthy life together under the guidance of psychology.